All the gates to this place are closed. Nobody knows the exact reason why this is closed, but the Google map says that this place is open till 3 p.m. We are going to find another place. Hello, good morning, namaskara. We are back with another video today, exploring another place here in Bengaluru. This place was on our list for a really long time, and now that we cannot go anywhere else, we thought we better explore it. It's about 12 kilometers from our home, and we have planning to come back home by 10 or so. It's pretty cloudy out today. Usually yaking agatto gottilla every time we want to go out. So yeah, we'll meet you at the place. We are at Turahalli forest. All the gates to this place are closed. Nobody knows the exact reason why this is closed. It's been closed for 6 months now, it seems. We asked few people who are walking here, but the Google map says that this place is open till 3 p.m. I guess they have not updated anything about it. We are going to find another place. Let's see. We are planning to go to Omkar Hills. Omkar Hills ಹಿಂಗ ಹೋಗಲ್ವಾ? ಹೆಂಗ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು? ಆರ್ಚ್ ಹತ್ರ ಲೆಫ್ಟಾ?
Turahalli was closed and Omkar Hills was nearby. ಒಂದು 10 ನಿಮಿಷದ ರೈಡ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಟೆಂಪಲ್ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಇದೆ. ಈ ಕಡೆ ವ್ಯೂ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರೈಪಾಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದೆರಡು ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಟೈಮ್ ಲಾಪ್ಸ್ ಸೆಟಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಕ್ಲೌಡ್ ಮೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸಕ್ಕತ್ತ ಇದೆ, ನೋಡೋಣ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
I'll put the time lapse now. Watch it.
ಅದು ಮೇನ್ ಎಂಟ್ರೆನ್ಸು. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರೈಟ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟು JSS ಕಾಲೇಜ್, ಬಟ್ ದಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಲಾಕ್, ಸೊ ವಿ ಕೇಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಟೈಮಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ 7 to 12:30. ಆಮೇಲೆ ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಸಂಜೆನೂ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಹಸಿತಾ ಇದೆ. ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಪ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿದ್ದೆ ಸ್ನ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ನ, ಅದನ್ನು ತಿಂತೀವಿ ಈಗ. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದು ಅರ್ಧ ಗಂಟೆ ಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಶೋ ಯು ಅ 360-degree ವ್ಯೂ. We were here for about an hour. We had some snacks, took some shots and did some time lapses. Hope you guys like it. That's it for today. We are heading back home. Turahalli ಒಂದು ನೋಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬೇಜಾರಿದೆ. 2-3 ಗೇಟ್ ಹುಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋದ್ವಿ, ಬಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಹೋಪ್ಫುಲಿ ದೇ ಓಪನ್ ಇಟ್ ಸಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಸೂನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್.
Yeah, that's the only regret. ಇಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಇದ್ರು, we didn't go to Turahalli because it was close by. Now we cannot go at all. So ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button and share this video. I know it's a small one, but hope you like it. Thank you.
Bye.